fucker on. Already filled it up on lights, on straight. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We'll see you, Byron. Oh my God, F-Type. And we on the road, boys. Thank the Lord. Alrighty, boys. I hope y'all been having a good day so far. I tell y'all what, I'm ready to go home. Wanted to get a little bit more riding today than what I'm probably going to, but it looks like crap. God, this run is so shitty, boys. Oh boy, it's windy as hell. So bumpy. Well, now we're getting rained on. What a fun ride home now. What a fun ride home now, boys. Pull over and put this thing in rain mode because I had traction control completely turned off on it. No ABS, I don't want to be riding around with no traction control on a wet road. Some of y'all can, but not me, I'm cool. Yeah, boys. no real video today. Just wanted to record something just to put out. It's supposed to be like this for the next like 2 weeks, so just want to thank you all so much for. I'm pretty sure I'm at 100 subscribers now. I was at 99 earlier today, so I'm hoping I'm at 100 now. It'd be pretty cool. But regardless, thank you all for the recent subscribers, the jump, the views that I've been getting on all the videos I've been putting out. Wow, look at that. I've been loving putting out the videos, you know. Getting a lot of comments on everything, stuff I can do better, and just people telling me that they've been enjoying the videos. It means a lot to me for sure. Videos are going to keep coming out, no doubt. As long as the weather sticks to being good, then I'm most definitely going to be recording every time I go out and ride. It's so windy. At least it didn't piss and pour on me. I mean, shit, I can't be mad, honestly. It only got me a little wet, and I don't even feel it no more because I'm fucking doing 70 down the highway. Now watch, I just jinxed it. I'm finna get pissed on. Watch. While I'm sitting at this light up here, fucking monsoon's gonna hit. My bigger than you ever wanted. Oh. Scott. Boom, boom. Rain mode feels terrible. Like the power just boom after you get on it. It hits so late. You can't even get in. Alrighty, boys. I'm gonna get off this bike before it starts pissing down rain.